Good day, traders. Please support the channel by subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Basically, today we're gonna be reviewing on how good I'm made this 180,000 from 500K funding account from Common Capital. Without any wasting time, let's just jump into it.
Do everything. So I'm actually about to go to gym. So loss. I'll let you know right now to see why I ended up taking these sells on GBP USD. So let's jump on my chart right here. So as you can see, guys, on a 4-hour time frame, I had visited the dollar index. So the dollar index, remember last week I did say that we have actually changed characters. You could see a double bottom, change of character, break of structure, continuation in the market, 10 right about there, so that it can come back, respect the fair value gaps that were here, which is the order block that was here. So it is actually respected right here. So now I'm expecting the dollar index to shoot straight up to at least right there. So this can happen today, or it can either happen tomorrow. The market doesn't move as we want. But yet again, also right here, if you look at GU, you can essentially see from a 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, we are turned right there in respect. But if you look where we are right now, this is one of the zones that can be marked as a very sensitive zone. Because also if I take my fib retracement from here to here, you could see that the way the price is turning right here, it's actually where the head and shoulders is at and where the value gaps are at. So in this instance, it's a matter of fact of waiting to see what the market will end up doing. But with what I'm seeing a potential, the market going further down to here. So that is why I took the GU cells, of which the completion of my cells will maybe come when the market is here. But we are patient enough to see. So that is the trade, as you can see. There you go. This is the trade. As you can see, we are in it right now. So we have to see how it goes. Champagne. So yeah, guys, I went to the doctor. I'm back now because I'm a little bit sick. And guess what? We back and we literally running crazy profit. But let me show you guys. Yeah, guys, that's the profit we are currently running. I'm about to head out to gym right now, so I'm gonna let these trades do whatever they gotta do. 15-minute time frame. Let's see. I'm gonna let these trades do what they gotta do. At the end, we have our target right here. So even if it pulls back or does anything, we already set our target. We already know what we're looking for in these trades. So let's see what happens. Alright guys, the weather is a little bit crazy right now. As you can see, it's a little bit crazy, but what I'm about to show you guys is insane. It's crazy. I just got back from the gym only to realize that we are running 89,000, 90,000 Rand profit. Take a look at this. This is $5,000. Look. Take a look at that, guys. Damn. All right, crazily enough, I called this out on our coaching lab. I called this out on our coaching lab, and then as you can see, these are the current profits that are running. And if you can look at this, I told them right here on the first part, I said DXY gave us an indication of what's happening. So the order block is filled and if a value gap is filled. And then also right here, so you can see this was a setup. I said this gave me an indication of what to look for on GU, which is short positions. Look, when we sent this trade was still right here. If you can look at it, guys, the trade was still right here. And then now let's go on trading view. As we get to trading view, let's go to GBP USD 30-minute time frame, or let's say an hour. There we go. The trade is running smoothly as we said. And if you can look here, when I sent it, it was still right here. And then right now it's running smoothly. And then we are actually running these profits. When we get to 100K, that's when we will close. So far, nah. So this is how much we're running now on this account. As you can see, this is how much we're running. It's actually approaching 90,000. When it gets to 100K, we might consider closing the entire profit. So when it gets to 100K, we might consider closing. Yes, I did show you guys that, look, this is what we had on the dollar index in the morning. I showed you guys this in the morning for the dollar index, and I was like, it's gonna swerve and then go up. And I showed you in the morning as well about this GU trade I'm about to take. And also, I also shared it on my Discord, the coaching lab with my students, and everybody saw the trade coming. So as you can see, this was the dollar index before it actually moved. You can see DXY guidance, our sensitive area, respected order block filled, and also the fair value gap. So I was expecting DXY to go at the top. And then I said, this gave me an indication of what I should look for on GU, which is short positions. And then I took a short on GU. And then if we go back on Thingy, you can see this is how it is now. It actually dropping crazy. And then the dollar index is actually going up quite crazy as well. So guys, this is just a matter of knowing what you're doing with the market and all of that. So now it's a matter of sticking with this prop firm and seeing if they'll really pay me. So let's when it gets to 100,000, we actually closing. So champagne. So yeah guys, here I am. I'm preparing to go to gym. And we've been swinging that trade since yesterday. Let me show you how much we're running right now. If you look here, we are currently running 106,000 rands. But yesterday we were at some point when the market was around this level, we were up like 130K. So imagine if I scaled in here, and if we get here, probably we're gonna close this account around 200,000 something. But we are still willing to see what's gonna happen because as our target is right there. You see it's dropping again, but I'm not scared or anything like that. You could see that is the RCG thingy, but it's Comet Capital. So yeah guys, I'll just wait and see what happens. It's a swing trade. There's a lot of ups and downs when you're holding a trade, a winner especially. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted.